Hey guys, I'm Crystal Rumfelt. I'm your instructor for EDU 119, and I just wanted to give you a quick introduction of what to do, and hopefully this will make all your questions and it'll make everything go really smoothly. So so here's how we start. You'll go to your Moodle homepage, and you'll click on EDU 119, and you want to go to the Start Here um, page first. And so this is a picture of your textbook that you're going to have. And so if you could continue scrolling down, you'll have your course syllabus. And the course syllabus, let's just click on that. Um, it's in a Word document, so it'll tell you the course title and the instructor information, the best way to communicate with me and what this course is about, kind of all the things you need to know. It'll tell you how I'm going to get your grade, your quizzes and essays are worth this much, your case studies and your scenarios. So, so that's your syllabus. Make sure to read that. Okay, if you read your course syllabus, then your mandatory first assignment for attendance is going to be easy because I got all the questions from the course syllabus. And I need you to do this mandatory first assignment as soon as possible because that means you are officially entered into the class. And it is also an easy 100 for a quiz grade. So do that one first. Okay, now the way I do the textbook and the curriculum is I use something called MindTap. Now, here is your MindTap access link. The way that you will do this, if you have financial aid, so if you receive financial aid, you will go to the bookstore here on campus, or you may even be able to call them and say, I am in Crystal Rumfelt's EDU 119 class, and I think it's EDU 119 IN2 because we're the second class because you guys are starting a little later than everyone else. And you will purchase a MindTap, I don't know what, I guess subscription. And so if you have financial aid, it'll be nothing. And they'll give you back a number, like it's on your receipt. It'll be an access number. And so then you'll come down and click this MindTap access link, and you'll enter in the number that you got from the bookstore. And ta-da, you're in. If you do not have financial aid, you can just click this MindTap access link and purchase it yourself through MindTap. It would be $80. So you can either do it through the bookstore if you don't have financial aid, or you can just buy it through the link, whichever you find is easier. This is actually a really easy process. So I also have a link here to MindTap student registration instructions. So when you click on this, is going to go to a video. If you need further instruction and somebody to sort of walk you through it, it'll walk you through every click you got to click on there. You click that and it'll help you. And then if something just goes haywire, which it has before, so like for example, you go to turn in your assignments and it's not letting you submit or whatever, here is a link for the MindTap tech support. And you can either live chat with somebody and they'll help you, or you can call the number and they'll walk you through how to fix your problem. So I wanted to show you we're using MindTap. Okay. This is all on the Start Here page. So then next week, or when you start your classes, you're going to go to the first week of it. We start January 27th, and you will go to this external tool, and this tells you the chapter that we're doing, chapter 1, and it gives you sort of your instructions. You're going to read the chapter, you're going to do the case study, you're going to do the scenario, and also the quiz. So let's click on this link and I'll show you what it's going to look like. We can kind of get a good idea here. So it'll look like this, and some of my screen is not, okay, maybe that'll help. So you go to section 1, Chapter 1, History of Childhood Education. And you'll notice that it has the learning objectives and standards. It has a video case study. So you'll watch about a 3 to 5 minute video and answer some questions about it. And it does relate to your chapter. So here's your chapter reading. It's an online textbook. It'll relate to that. And so I want to make sure that you do read the chapter, because your case study and your scenario and then obviously your quiz will all come from that chapter. And your scenario will ask you to reference your chapter, specific parts of the chapter that you use to answer the questions and stuff like that. So that's all here. Let me show you the chapters. If you are one of those people that it's hard for you to read and comprehend at the same time, over here at the far right hand side of your screen, there's a little guy with a mouth. These books will read to you. And so if you learn better by sort of following along as somebody's reading, if that helps you comprehend, I just want you to know that that is an option for you. So let's see. Also, I wanted to show you that when you click on the video case study, like I said, it'll have a little video that plays, and then you type in your answers here and then submit. And then for your scenarios, I want to show you that it gives you an objective, what I'm looking for you to do and to think about. And then it has your focus assignment, which is the bulk of your assignment, but then it also is going to ask you to reflect on what you've done, because being a teacher and being a daycare instructor and a lead teacher, all of those things require you to reflect on your teaching and your practices and see how you can improve. So that's kind of what the reflect. So here's your objective: to create a mission statement of your personal teaching philosophy. And here's your scenario, and it tells you, it gives you like you're starting your teaching career at an early education center in a couple of weeks. So there's your scenario, and then if you scroll on down, it tells you what to do for your assignment, and then you scroll down a little further and it tells you how to self-evaluate, and that's an important part of the assignment as well. So I hope that this helps you guys. I want you to know that I am here to help you succeed. I'm not one of those gotcha teachers that just tries any way possible to push you towards failure. I want to help you succeed, and I want to help you learn everything you can, because I know that when you guys are well prepared and when you guys are well educated and when you guys have all the information possible, that the kiddos will benefit from that. So I'm available through email or Moodle messaging, or if you need to call me. If you don't understand something, please reach out and I'll do anything I can to help you. And I think we're going to have a good time this semester. All these assignments are not boring, and they're very relevant to your chosen career path. So good luck, and let me know if you need anything. Okay, thanks.